So you've been tasked with designing a training program. But where do you start? That's where training needs analysis, or TNA, comes in. Think of it as your instructional design GPS. It helps you map out the gaps between where learners are and where they need to be. Without a TNA, you're just guessing, and no one wants to waste time on training that misses the mark. TNA is the systematic process of identifying gaps in knowledge, skills, and abilities, or KSAs, within your audience. It's not just about filling those gaps. It's about figuring out if training is the right solution in the first place. Because no one wants to waste resources on training that doesn't solve the problem. The main purpose of TNA is to align training with both learner needs and organizational goals. You're trying to solve real problems, not just check off a training box. Let's break down the steps of conducting a TNA. Step 1 is to define the problem or opportunity. Dive into the data, performance reviews, sales reports, customer feedback, whatever you can find to identify where things are falling short. Is there a drop in sales? A rise in customer complaints? Understanding the problem gives you a clear idea of what your training should address. Next, gather input from stakeholders, managers, employees, and even customers. Use surveys, focus groups, and interviews to get insights from those in the know. You want a full picture before moving forward. Step 3 is where you analyze the data to identify trends and gaps. Maybe it's a lack of technical skills or communication barriers. Whatever the issue, this analysis helps you zero in on the KSAs that are lacking. Not all gaps are created equal, so which ones will deliver the biggest impact? Prioritize based on the potential return on investment and feasibility. Finally, propose solutions and develop a training plan. Is training the answer? If so, outline your objectives, content, delivery methods, and how you'll measure success. The result? A well-targeted training program that actually solves the problems you identified. By conducting a thorough training needs analysis, you're ensuring that your training is effective, relevant, and aligned with both learner needs and business objectives. Conduct a TNA, create training that matters. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.